BioRelease and Soluplex are sister products in that they both are derived through biological fermentation. It's microfractionated humic material that is produced to release the positive and the negative minerals in the soil. So as we apply it to soil and crop applications, the minerals that are in our soil that are in an unavailable form for the plant now become available. The positive-negative bonding keeps minerals in an insoluble state. The BioRelease non-toxically and organically releases that positive-negative charge, and the minerals can come into solution. The additional uses of the Soluplex and BioRelease are to chelate our mineral products for foliar application. And this is crucial so that when we put a multitude of minerals into a foliar product, they do not tie up and they remain very small to put into through the plant leaf membrane or through the root system. Additional uses of BioRelease and Soluplex would be to encourage the growth of very specific large species groups of microorganisms in the soil. These two products, because of their organic formulations and their non-toxic components, have a very stimulating effect on the higher organisms that we're missing in the soil, particularly the fungal groups and the protozoa groups, so that we can encourage that complete soil biology balance. BioRelease and Soluplex is that missing component between insoluble soil minerals and plant nutrient uptake, but it's also the food source for these microorganisms that are so vital in the process of soil mineralization and plant nutrient components that are fixed or restructured by the microbes and given to the plants in a better form. So it's kind of that magical bridge between the world of minerals and plants. These stimulated soil biologies just blossom and grow at exponential rates with this food source. As the minerals become available, the food and energy sources are there, the biology populations change, and the plant has a broad spectrum form of biology in its root systems, producing nutrients, protecting it, and we have the best operating systems in the soil due to these two products. So it's a mineral chelator to keep things separate and balanced in foliars. It's a soil mineral dissolver to a point in a very non-toxic and harmless way. It's a microbial stimulator to bring the plant and the soils together so that we have the nutrients and the plants have the mineral components to grow.
I may ask you a question.
Yeah.
Ken, what does this technology do with salt levels in fertilizer?
The Soluplex and BioRelease has the capacity to reduce the salt component within our starter fertilizers or side dress application products. Many of our fertilizers salt-based component in them, and we want to neutralize that effect. So salt being positive, the BioRelease and Soluplex have a negative charge that it can donate to neutralize the salt effect on these products, so that when we put it on the seed or we side dress, we don't have a salt toxicity problem for the plant or for the biology that we put on the seed in the furrow as we plant and continue to feed plants throughout the season.